the beauty in the middle of Pacific Ocean. Across the sea from Guam lies the states of Hawaii, a beautiful island and part of the American states. This island is full of Instagrammable scenery, perfect for those photo fanatic people like me, and for sure we all love the beach of Hawaii for its clear blue water, picture perfect scenery, white sand beaches, and amazing people who welcomes you with open arms. I know all of you are wondering why my tourism project is called The Beauty in the Middle of the Pacific Ocean. Here are the reasons. Number 1, the gorgeous Waikiki Beach. This beach is full of luxurious hotels, museums, historic and cultural sites. Also, there's tons of activities that you can do here. The beach is one of the most popular in the world. Outdoor music events, canoe races, surfing, swimming, and hula dancing. Number 2, the Humaluhia Botanical Garden. If you like having a green thumb, well, try visiting the Humaluhia Botanical Garden located in Oahu. Humaluhia Botanical Garden has recently become a big hit in being a popular social media photo spot. That is all from me. My name is Nico Montefolco and I representing the country of Guam. Thank you for your time.